Nobody knows how to spell a president. I want to see if I can get it for you, so you will understand what I'm saying. Nobody knows how to spell a president in the whole of the place you call Nigeria. Nobody knows. And these are the people that you're telling me somehow they have your interest at heart. Is that what you're telling me? Are we that dumb? Are we that stupid? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me, I ask? That nobody knows how to spell the word president. I am going to post it. I'll post it now that the world may see it. Because some of these things is just a very big joke. Very big joke, I tell you. Very, very big. It is unprecedented. This level of stupidity in black people is, I must say it. You may not like it, you may go, you may complain, oh, he's insulting people. That is entirely your business. It is entirely your business. I must say it because it is the truth. We do not reason. Black people do not reason properly. We don't reason properly. That is the fact of life. That is the absolute truth. I am going to post it. I will try. I don't have Amaka to help me. Amaka is teaching children online. But I will do it myself because after all, I'm very good at multitasking. I'm going to, maybe I will not have the fluidity of the commentary of Amaka, but I am going to post it so that the world may see. If you go, you will see it. You will see it. Romanus Uchenno Gueri observed that a country of 200 million people, they cannot spell the word president correctly. What did they write here? They wrote president, P-R-E-S-D-E-N-T, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Federal Republic of Nigeria. The office, capital O. Can you believe that? It is there on the screen. This is what the world is watching. And after watching it, you want them to treat black people like human beings. You're dreaming. You are dreaming. I say you are dreaming. I have posted it on my page. You can go and see it. It is there. They spelled it initially president. They changed it to president, not president. That tells you the mess you are in. But is that all? No, it's not all. I want to now proceed to bring you, I just want to prove to you that all they do is lie to you. And as we proceed today, I am going to prove to you how they have been deceiving and lying to you.